If you love the sound of a screaming two-stroke and live for that perfect power band hit, you're going to want to stick around. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here, and it's proof that two-strokes aren't just surviving, they're thriving. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the machines that keep the thrill of riding alive. Design. The YZ125 has always had that sleek, aggressive motocross look, and for 2026, Yamaha gives it a slight refresh without messing with the formula. New graphics, sharper plastics, and a slimmer seat make it look fast even when it's standing still. The ergonomics have been tweaked just enough for better grip and control, especially during cornering and whip sessions. Performance. This bike is all about fun, and the 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke delivers it in spades. With refined port timing and a new exhaust system for 2026, the power band hits smoother and revs out cleaner than before. The YZ125 remains incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for younger riders or anyone looking to sharpen their technique on a nimble machine. Whether you're charging through whoops or scrubbing a jump, this bike keeps you in control. Features and technology. Yamaha didn't load it with gadgets, and that's the point. You get what you need: fully adjustable KYB suspension, updated braking components, and a reworked intake system that improves throttle response. Everything is dialed for racing and reliability. No frills, just performance-focused engineering. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is light, fast, and built for pure motocross joy. It's the kind of bike that makes you fall in love with riding all over again. Thinking about making it your next race day weapon? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, your home for the latest in two wheels and throttle thrills.